Alright guys, we are in Sedona. Welcome back to the channel. And we're going to have breakfast here at the Pump House Station Urban Eatery in the heart of Sedona. So let's go inside and check it out. Alright, the menu at the Pump House. Alright, it started with the cappuccino. And Nicole got a latte. See outside. Alright. Went with the Chilaquiles. Got your corn chips, sour cream. Looks like some cilantro arugula. Got the sauce with the potatoes. And then over here, Nicole got the fruit. Avocado toast. Looking good. Alright guys, well breakfast was fantastic. It's actually kind of cold out, so there's a back deck off here which I recommend for more of the summer. And there's a small little creek back here which is just gorgeous. All the leaves are falling. So yeah, if you're in Sedona, check this place out. Lots of recommendations for you. Check out our other video in Cottonwood, which is another place you can stay if you don't want to pay the prices to stay in Sedona. Until next time, see ya.